Guys, in today's video we are going to make money with our Google site. So guys, if you are interested, watch the video till the end. I'm going to show you exactly how to start making money with your Google site. Everything you need to know is on this tutorial, so make sure you watch the video till the end. So the first thing you need to do, make sure you're logged into your Google account. This is my Google account logged in, and right now we have all of this site, but in your case you're not going to have any site. It's going to be blank. Now, how do I make this money with Google sites in the first place? That should be your question. Now, you want to make money with your Google site, there are various ways to do it, but one way I'm going to show you how is you selling something. So you're going to be selling digital products to people, and people that actually need these digital products. I'm not selling anyhow kind of digital products, but selling high value digital products that to people that are interested in buying these digital products. Now I'm going to show you exactly how to get a digital product to sell if you don't have one, how to make one if you are interested in making a digital product, and how you can start promoting it then before you are able to make sales. So this is actually going to be a detailed video. Watch till the end. So now, how do I do it? First thing, before we go ahead to start creating any form of site, you need to make sure you already have a digital product. Now, how do I get a digital product? Now you can go ahead, go to Canva and make digital products. So it's simple. Go to Canva. Digital products like ebooks, like selling maybe you have something you do online already, you can actually sell your knowledge. Okay, so you can make videos, you can sell ebooks, you can sell softwares. These things are different things that people are looking at in order to ease them, a lot of stuff. So you can come over to Canva here, search for ebooks if you are interested in selling ebooks. Okay, some people still need ebooks for to guide them on a lot of stuff, so you can actually start selling this. Now, I'm not guaranteeing you that this thing actually would work exactly within a short period of time. No, but I'm telling you that this is a method, or this is a processes that you are going to take. Now, if you don't want to do ebooks, you want to do videos, you can go ahead, create your videos and start selling as a course onto your Google site. Now, if you are not interested in that as well, then let me show you exactly how to also go ahead to get ebooks to sell. Now, if you come over here to your search bar and search for In Digital Works, okay, In Digital Works. Now, if you go ahead search for In Digital Works, it's going to take you to this website called indigitalworks.com. So in this platform, you are going to have free PLR products to sell online. Now, what does this mean? Private label right. So you have the private label right to sell the products you're going to be getting on this platform. That means you're going to be getting high value products like ebooks, videos, softwares, different in templates, graphics, audios. As you can see, ebooks, videos, graphics, templates, audios, softwares. All these things are things you can actually start selling, and people actually are in need of these things. People actually buy these things online to aid them, to help them, a lot of stuff. So you can actually offer these services or sell these things to people and get paid. Now, if you go over to here to go to products, you're going to see they have thousands and thousands of products, from ebooks to softwares to videos to templates to graphics to music. Now you can get ahead and get all these things and start selling. Now, first of all, you need to sign up, right? You need to sign up for the account. Now they have I think they can start for free. As you can see here, yes, of course, register for free. You can always register for free. Let me click on it, and it's going to take you to the registration or membership link. So you can actually register for free, and you can actually, if you can see, you can pay $47 for 3 months and get the gold membership, and you can get gold 1 year, $87, gold lifetime, $97. Now, why are there payments? There are payments there because the products they're going to give you, there's a limit to the products you can get for free. There's a limit to the products you can get for paid. So, but even with the free version, you can get you can get a lot of good products that are done by webmasters. As you can see, trusted by 100,000 internet marketers, webmasters, and bloggers. So these are people that make these products, and just keep it right here. For people like you and I who are just getting started, we can actually use these things to start making money. Now, if you go ahead to go products, as you can see it, we have this email masterclass video upgrade. This is a video email masterclass. I don't know. This is an ebook? This is an ebook, I think. ultimate travel template. These are various ebooks now that you can download and start selling. Okay, so if I go ahead to click on free products, we are going to see different free products. Okay, so you can actually search for products here as well. So as you can see here, mobile e-commerce, simplified, clickbank, cash success. So there are so many of them. So if you're interested in getting um anyone to go ahead, come to this platform, sign up and get access and download. If I want to download this one now, if I just click on it, it's actually going to pull up. Now you can also get softwares on this platform. Don't forget, not only digital, not only videos and the like. So we can see you can download this thing. You can pay $49 here and download. But if you want to do free, let me go ahead, go to this free products. If I click on free products, it's going to take us to the catalog of free products, and we can always apply our filter if we want to filter it. But right now I can go to this content marketing, this one. Now once I click on it, it's going to pull up the page, and right there we can go ahead to download this product even for free. Now why is it bringing $7? It's bringing this $7 because I've not actually logged in and the likes. Now you can actually preview this stuff. Okay, you can preview and then we can add to cart. Okay, get this products. Now look at this most important part. Can be sold, yes. Can be used for personal use, yes. Can be packaged with other products, yes. So there's a lot of stuff you can do, and this is the things you cannot do with this product. Can be added to shop membership containing more than 500 products. You can't do that. Okay, but I mean, we don't have all those things. As far as we can be able to do all of this other stuff, then there's no problem. Just get this product and start selling onto your own Google site. Now you can go ahead, let's go to softwares, PLR softwares. There are so many softwares here as well. So as you can see, so many softwares. As you can see, this one costs, as you can see, there are so many of them. Okay, so let's continue so that I'm going to show you exactly how it's done. Now another important thing is some of these products actually cost a very ridiculous cheap amount. In fact, it's also free, if I even can say. As you can see, this one, Affiliate List Pro, a very good software, a very good video, an ebook, digital products. As you can see, it's going for just $1. So if I click on it, right, it's going to pull up the products page and show us everything that's going to be included. Just $1, and you can download. You can even go ahead to download all of these things. So if you want to pay them, you pay. If I click on download now, as you can see, please wait, and it will start downloading anytime soon. So guys, these things are very easy. You can also add it to cart if you want to buy it outrightly. You can go ahead to buy it and start buying, and to start just give them the dollar and the product start downloading. Very simple. So first of all, you need to log in. Of course, you need to create an account for you to have access to all of these things. Now let's say you have actually gotten access, you have all the necessary access you need for you to set this thing up, and you are good to go. The next thing you'll be needing is a payment gateway. So you need a PayPal, or you need any form of payment gateway that you can get your hands on. Okay, so in this case, I have a PayPal account. If you have a Stripe account, good for you. If you have a Paystack, good for you. If you have Flutterwave, good for you. But have a PayPal account. Do you know how to create a PayPal account? If you don't know how, then keep watching. This channel is actually going to take you through the process one day on how to create a PayPal account. Or you can tell me in the comment section. I can guide you. Very simple. But it's simple to set it up and have it working perfectly the way it should work, because a lot of people normally have issues, and this is what the channel is for, to solve your problem. Make sure you're subscribed as well. So now once you have a PayPal account, you have a Google site, go ahead to Google site, create your website. Okay, I'm going to use the one already created one that I already have, but go ahead to use a blank canvas, create your website. Very simple. Add a header. So as you can see here, I just have this simple header here, by just type in, and then go ahead, change this to impact. I change the font to Oxford. Okay, change your font to Oxford for this one, but I normally use impact. Okay, very good soft. And then you can change the name of your site, or you can add a logo and then add your background image. Very simple. Now once you've done that, you can add a text. Now this text is serve as the hook to the website. As you can see here, I already wrote a small text, and it says here, welcome, write a short description here to help viewers understand your team's mission. So I left this text here, but of course you can write something and say, we help you We help your digital space by offering you very valuable digital products, just anything good, and then have a link or a button here that will link to your shop page or your about us page, depending on what you're trying to achieve. Then you can add your products. Very simple how I added this product. I come over here, added this product by clicking using this one, and then adding an image title and add description, and then add the buy now button. Now this buy now button redirects to the payment gateway, which brings me to the step where we have to now use a payment gateway, which is, in this case, you can use PayPal. Okay, once you have a PayPal, we want to create PayPal buttons and links. Okay, for you to do that, come over to, let's get, how do we get this stuff? Let me see, paid and get paid. I click on it, then I said PayPal, yes, create shopping cart buttons, or create payment links and buttons. So this is what we want to use, create payment links and button. Okay, so right here we just need to go ahead to create a payment link and the button, and by selecting that, it's actually going to load up and bring us to this section. So now all you just need to do, enter your real information, enter all the information that has to do with the digital products or any kind of product that's your, but digital products. Okay, enter all the information here. You're going to see a preview on how the button is going to look like. So once we've entered all of those things, we can also preview these things as we are doing it. Okay, so once we have entered all of the details that needs to be entered, then we're going to have a link. I don't want to enter any info because I don't need this link at the moment, but of course when you're done, click on generate. It's going to generate a link, and the link will be shown here. Okay, just copy the link, then come over to your Google site, and then come over here, click on this place, and then add your payment link, as you can see here. Okay, so add your payment link. Now once you've added your payment link, that means whenever they click on that particular product, they are going to be redirected to the payment gateway. Now inside of your PayPal or inside of your payment gateway, you are going to add a link to where they are going to be redirected after the payment. Now you want to redirect them to where they can download their products, especially if they have paid for it. Now how do you store the products online? You can use Google Drive. So upload the products to your Google Drive. Go to drive.google.com, upload the products, collect the download link, and paste here. After they have made payment, they should be redirected to the link where they can download their products. You can also add your WhatsApp contact details or any form of contact details, so that when your clients make payment or they have issues maybe confirming payment with you, they can actually message you on WhatsApp, and then you can confirm the payment and send them the course or send them the digital products that you are selling. Very simple, guys. Do you have any question? Tell me in the comments. I believe these things are very easy to understand, and I've been able to explain exactly how this thing is done. Now, please, if there's any problem you're encountering, tell me in the comments. I'll be there to answer any questions at all, so that I can help you fix these things up. Okay, so go ahead, set this thing up. I'll be supporting you. Subscribe to my channel as well, because I plan to be making videos, a lot of videos that is going to help you. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. We don't have a lot of stuff to do. I'll see you guys on the next one.